Hey guys, today we'll be working on this Honda 2025, but I believe they go from 2023 and up. So if you want to get to your fuse box, your first one, it'll be right under the steering wheel on the driver's side. When you look down here, it'll be right in here. One right there and one right here. I'm not sure for this one if it shows location, but for this one, I believe it's this one right here. It's on this panel. Second will be under the hood, and there's also a third one on the passenger side, but I'll show you the second one first. What you want to do is open the hood. It's a latch here, and it's down in the middle, but it's like somewhere right here. You'll be able to slide it over and pick it up. Mine doesn't hold, so you have to use this stick. All you do is just put in that slot right there, and it will be holding. So the second one will be right in here, this one. To open this one, there's latches 1, 2, 3, 4. What you do is just click on it. Just like that. That's it. And like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's supposed to slide up just like that. There's your spare fuses, location, just like this, and that's the fuser puller, and your fuses are right in here. So to take it out, I'll show you. All you do is just grab that, take it out, and you use this side. You can pinch it. Should be able to pinch it. I guess this one doesn't pinch. All I do is just go like this, slide over. When it locks, you just pull it, and that's how you take it off. And then put it on. Same thing, you can slide it in here inside the slot, and then put it in there. Once you click it, let's see if that works. So I was saying, it looks like you have to go like this. So it locks it, and then you pull it out. You can either put it inside. I don't know if there's another trick way to do it, but if you pull one side, it comes out. But if that doesn't work, what you can do is just don't lose them. When you pull it out, you can pull it out sideways. And then you can just put them by hand, just don't lose them. Just click it like that. This is the second one. And you look on your diagram, it shows like this. And there's relays, I believe. Just like that. So there's the number 34, 35, 40, 41. So to put it back, it was like this. Make sure it locks so it doesn't pull back. Slide it in. Just flip it. If you want to get to your oil dipstick right here, and then to put oil right here. I don't see any other fuse boxes in here. If you know, comment below if there is another one. But there is a third one. You have to go right here on the passenger side. It'll be located right in here. So it's right in here. All you do is just put this latch down and out. And there it is. And the location's right here. Once you're done, you just line this up on the bottom, right in here. And then just click it. If you want to get to your OBD port, It's usually located under the steering wheel. This one's right in here. That's if you need to plug in your computer. Stuff like that. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.